If you're considering getting a Vespa, watch this first. This is the Vespa Primavera 150 in green amabile. 150cc, perfect for city riding. Not too big, not underpowered. This is what people recognize instantly. The classic round headlight. Ito talaga yung iconic Vespa look. What makes Vespa different is this steel body. Monocoque frame. Hindi siya plastic like most scooters. It's not just a scooter. It's more of a lifestyle bike. Usually, people who get this, they're not just looking for transportation. Some are first-time owners. Some are coming from big bikes or even cars. They just want something cleaner and easier for city riding. Not gonna lie, Vespa is not the cheapest. It's not for everyone. But that's also the reason why people want it. Personally, if I had the budget, I'd get this. It's simple, iconic, and honestly, Vespa is Vespa. Follow for more Vespa content.